So this is a pre-tension load to the tissues in between your shoulder blades. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a platform that you can place your foot on top of. I'm using a platform that's about knee height. First thing you're going to do is you're going to interlace your fingers. So you're going to start like this. You're going to cross them over, flip it so the palms are facing towards each other, and then you're going to interlace your fingers together just like that. Now what you're going to do now is you're going to bring your fingers away from your back and your back away from your fingers as far apart as they can go. As you can tell, my mid-back is kind of arching. So that's what I'm trying to create, and you should feel the tension increase in between the shoulder blades. So again, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to bring your foot on top of the platform just like this. You can try either side if you want to and see which one increases the tension. So I'm just going to use my left foot for demonstration purposes. After I hold that and I feel an increase in tension in between my shoulder blades, what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist my torso. So I'm going to go one direction or the opposite direction, trying to see if it increases the tension in between the shoulder blades or the target tissue. I feel more when I rotate this direction, so I'm going to hold that position. From there, I'm going to side bend my body, so I'm going to lower my one shoulder towards the same side hip, and then I'm going to side bend the opposite way. I actually feel more tension when I side bend towards my right, so I'm going to hold that position. So again, what I did is I'm rotated right, I'm side bent towards the right. And that's where I feel my increase of tension, so I'm going to hold that there. The last driver is the head motion. So I'm just going to rotate my head left and right, see if it increases tension. It actually increases tension in the target tissue when I turn my head towards the left, so I'm going to hold that. The last driver, or the last motion that we're going to be working on is head nodding. So it's like you're saying yes or no. So I'm going to nod my head down and bring it up and trying to see where I feel an increase of tension. I actually feel an increase of tension when I look down, so I'm going to hold that position for a second or so and then back off and then try to go a little bit further than the previous attempt, trying to tuck my chin down towards my chest a little bit more. So I'm going to show you a different angle. Once I interlace my fingers, bring it back just like that. My back is away from my fingers are away from my back. I'm going to place my foot on the platform. And then again, what I'm trying to do is, first thing, I'm going to rotate left and right. Once I feel more tension in the target tissue, I'm going to side bend. Once I side bend, then what I'm going to do is just move my head left and right. Feel more tension on the left, nod my head up and down, and just hold that, then relax.